breathing steam to break of dawn. Moss hanging low where the silence is gone. Eyes like marbles in the water's glaze, lurking like ghosts in a muddy haze. Lowers call them puddle puppies, smiling sly, with a chomp that'll kiss your soul goodbye. Tail like a whip, teeth like a blade, dinosaur grin in the Everglade. Florida puddle puppies, born from the fall, creeping through the cattails, silent as fall. Don't pet the puppy, don't tempt fate, they'll drag it down through the pearly gate. Boots on the levee, beer in hand, something just moved in the marshy sand. You laugh it off, but the ripple won't lie. That ain't no dog, that's a gator's eye. They don't bark, they don't beg, they just roll slow on four armored legs. Snap like thunder, vanish like smoke, another late night tourist joke. Florida puddle puppies, scales and rage, swamp-born demons from a primal age. You can call them cute, but don't forget, they'll grin wide for your socks get wet. Yeah. Down in the dark where the cypress creeps, they dream of flesh in their ancient sleeps. If you feel that stare, don't run, don't cry, just pray fast and like and subscribe. So here's to the puddle puppy, sharp and sly, in the backwoods swamps where legends lie. From Gainesville mud to the mangrove tide, they're watching close and they don't blink twice.